Our vision for innovation. Rondebosch Boys Preparatory School will create a safe and structured environment where learners and staff come together as a community of lifelong learners. Our school fosters individual differences. We encourage each other and set challenging goals. We strive to think critically and creatively to encourage good decision-making strategies to promote a sense of teamwork and collaboration. We believe the biggest change is a paradigm shift for teachers. We have created a more learner-centered environment through the use of project-based learning. We have embraced education technology into our classes to make the transition easier. Through the use of computers, smartboards, internet and other technologies, we strive to integrate these technologies into our curriculum, enhancing our everyday teaching and creating meaningful learner involvement. We currently have various projects we have started with our local community. We currently work with 5 local schools in our community to assist them with improving numeracy in their schools. We have created online content for these 5 schools. This can be viewed at www.wsparrow.co.za. Warren Sparrow, Head of ICT, is involved in an information technology forum with 8 of the local schools where technology ideas are shared, discussed and collaborated on. Through our Vulerka project, we assist formerly disadvantaged learners in attending our school. We participate in the Rural Child Program every year where we collect clothes, games, books and Christmas gifts for poor rural children. We see the integration of ICT into classrooms as a multi-pronged development. The first development was the upgrade of our existing infrastructure. The second development was improved support structure. This comprises of hardware, software and curriculum support. The third development is training of IT skills, interactive whiteboards and curriculum integration training. The fourth development is building up our online resource center for educators to access. I believe that our vision is a work in progress. We are always looking at existing technology and try and incorporate what we can into our school. One of the things we'd like to see improved is that staff and learners use more web-based and e-learning content. Over the next 2 years, we would like to expose more of our teachers to the various Microsoft forums and for them to experience more best practices from around the world. We would also like to create a digital syllabus for the school across the grades with more integration between staff. Lastly, we would like to create a formal collaboration focus with more schools. Success means different things to different people. Each learner is an individual, and we believe that every learner needs to create their own success. It is important to remember that success is a journey through both highs and lows. Capacity building. From a learner perspective, we believe we are building a capacity to be empathetic, supportive of their community, as well as a global citizen. Through project-based learning, the learners are given the opportunity to voice their ideas or issues that are important to them. This enables us to direct our training in a particular direction. We have moved to Google Docs. We create online videos that we share on YouTube as well as with other education districts. We are undertaking more project-based learning that we showcase online. 3 of our core aims would be to create an environment for 21st century learning to take place, to have positive, critical thinking learners. We focus on the importance of creating many opportunities so that the boys can find their area of excellence and thrive on it. Our last core aim is to build relationships to foster greater cooperation and collaboration between staff, learners and other schools. Like all schools, we have anticipated many challenges. As a government school, there is not always a sufficient amount of money that can be used. Each process of the rollout has been carefully planned and budgets created to complete each development. Fortunately, our Old Boys Union, Kanya and the Education Department have assisted in different ways. We are a very busy school and it is not always possible to meet all the teachers for training, workshops, integration and learning new ideas. There has also been some resistance of staff to changing the way things are taught, in adopting new technologies, moving from teacher to learner-centered approaches, and embracing the 21st century learner. We run staff development programs 3 times a week. We send out weekly emails showing new content, websites, software that can all be used in classes. And we sit with staff and assist in lesson material and integration. Partners in Learning is becoming an invaluable resource, both for seeing best practices, resources, but as well as motivating and enlightening through the virtual universities. We use a multitude of different technology, and this is growing every day. Thank you very much for watching our presentation.